Okay guys, just thought to make a really short video today again. So as you can see, my page is still not found with the ads.txt status saying not found. I did some additional research now. So I've seen people that get approved around 5 days, and that's already a rather quick result. So, and these guys actually had some pretty good content on the pages. So what I'm trying now is I'm gonna set up or actually I have set up a Google Ads account. I can show you that. Give me a sec. Just going to share my tab. So as you can see here, I have actually done that yesterday, but running traffic since today. So what I did is, as you can see here, I've set up a campaign sending traffic to my page. So if I refresh the page, so there are 10 impressions today yet. Oh, that spiked up now nicely. So there were maybe an hour ago I had like 10 impressions. Just refreshed it now. I have 150 impressions, 10 clicks now to the page. Paid €1.46. Okay. So I have to be really cautious here because I actually ramped up the manual CPC bit from 0.15. So Google found a good way now to make some money with me, which I don't like because every CPC of 15 cents is too much for me for this page. I actually want to bring it down to rather 7 cents again or something. That would be better. 5 cents would be the aim. So that's too expensive. I'm not getting enough clicks and I don't want to invest heaps for the page. So I have a budget of €1.50 at the moment. Yeah, so just waiting until I get approval. Let me just go back to the page real quickly. So as you can see, not found. So what I'm going to do as well as a third step is I'm going to enrich my page with more content. So what I'm building now at the moment is I'm adding a new button in my navigation. So at the moment it's a one pager, right? A squeeze page basically. So what I want to do is I want to actually add a button or maybe two, and just extend on the information that I have on my first page, and possibly make the first page a bit longer. So because I really want to make sure once the robots or the Google crawlers are crawling my website, that it's actually also going to do it pretty fast actually, because I've seen, I don't know how it works to be really honest, but that one guy was saying like if you don't have content to your page and Google sees that there are no hits on the page, they probably know that because the code is sitting there now, right? I guess so, maybe. I want to make sure that I actually have traffic and I can also send more traffic. So I got 10 clicks today. So CTR, it's not too bad. As you can see, CTR is 8.7. I would wish for a bit higher one, to be honest. But actually, I mean, this is like a display ad. Like, as you can see, display ad. It's just one ad in there. It's not displaying. I've seen that before. I don't know why, but it's sitting there. So yeah, hope that was helpful. And yeah, so still on day 0 of my journey of monetization. So can't do anything yet, but yeah, we'll keep you posted tomorrow again. Bye bye, and share your insights and comments if you know how to improve it faster. If you're a Google AdSense specialist, let me know. I want to get it approved. Okay, bye bye.